Let's identify and talk about leaf miners. If you grow leafy greens, you've probably seen this before. Your leaves are covered in these squiggly lines, patches, or trails, and that would be from the leaf miners. If we flip over a leaf here, we can see their eggs. Adult leaf miners are not always the same insect, but they are usually a moth, some kind of fly, or certain kinds of beetles. But generally, the eggs are these neatly placed white oval specks. When the larva hatches from the eggs, they start to dig a tunnel or mine, hence the term leaf miners, into your greens, and they burrow and then exit. And I opened up a leaf so you can see the larvae here. These were all inside the leaf on one trail. So this leaves your leaves looking yucky, but it also might mean there are bugs inside your leaves. For non-leafy green plants or parts of the plant that you don't eat, it may not be a big deal, but for things like this Swiss chard here, where the leaves are what you eat, it's gross and very unappetizing. So it's a good idea to check for these eggs and squish them, but if you see these squiggly lines, the damage has been done, so remove the leaves and put them in your green waste bin. Don't compost them at home because you want them out of your garden.